guys, I'm Daryl Ron Tubo, UMS 11C, and our topic for today is communication breakdown. What is communication breakdown? Communication breakdown is defined as a failure to exchange information resulting in a lack of communication. Communication barriers. Reason for communication breakdown. Number 1. Perceptual and language differences. Perception is generally how each individual interprets the world around him. All generally want to receive messages which are significant to them. 2. Information overload. Managers are surrounded with a pool of information. It is essential to control this information flow, else the information is likely to be misinterpreted or forgotten or overlooked. As a result, communication is less effective. Inattention. At times we does not listen, but only hear. For example, a traveler may pay attention to one no parking sign, but if such signs is put all over the city, he no longer listens to it. Time pressures. Often in organization, the targets have to be achieved within a specified time period, a failure of which has adverse consequences. Distraction and noise. Communication is also affected a lot by noise to distractions. Physical distractions are also there, such as poor lighting, uncomfortable seating. Unhygienic room also affects communication in a meeting. Emotions. Emotional state at a particular point of time also affects communication. If the receiver feels that communicator is angry, he interprets that the information being sent is very bad. Complicity in organizational structure. Greater the hierarchy in an organization, more the number of managerial levels, more is the chances of communication getting destroyed. Poor retention. Human memory cannot function beyond a limit. One can't always retain what is being told, especially if he is not interested or not attentive. This leads to communication breakdown. 5 tips to correct community breakdown. Number 1. Own your mistakes. Number 2. Slow down. Number 3. Focus on duty. Number 4. Win people and not argument. Number 5. Be patient. How can we avoid community breakdown? Number 1. Use common language for communication between all parties to evade being lost on relationship. Number 2. Remove distraction. Number 3. Do not burden each other with excessive information or data. Be direct and concise your communication. And that's all. Thank you for watching.